Hey, happy Snow Load Sunday. The blizzard of 2026 looks like it has officially begun. It's starting to stick on my grass. Hopefully we get whacked. I, for one, love the snow. I think there's nothing better than a huge snowstorm. I know some people hate it and they got their reasons. I just love it. But I'm gonna get on here today and we're gonna do a snow load review. And in honor of all my friends who enjoy the summer stuff, I'm gonna do a review just for you guys and girls. I'm gonna review something called a Batanga. It's essentially tequila and Mexican Coke with lime, but I'm gonna use lemon because that's all I have. And I'm not gonna salt my glass. And I'm not gonna salt my glass because I'm watching my blood pressure, and salt and blood pressure do not mix. It's kind of like oil and vinegar, you know what I mean? So let's get the tequila. Sorry to my godchild Dave. I know this was expensive shit, and I'm mixing it with Coke. I do apologize, but dude, snow load. Gotta do something, right? Let's get this poured. We're not going to measure here. Just going to get to it. Mexican Coke. By the way, this is awesome. When the American Coke finally gets rid of that high fructose corn syrup and goes to straight cane sugar, I'm hoping it tastes as good as this. And last but not least, the lemon. And cheers, a Batanga review by the Barrister on this Sunday blizzard snow day. Cheers. Refreshing. That's good. It's not what I was expecting. I usually don't mix tequila with things besides like maybe a margarita, but that's pretty damn good. Barrister's going to give the Batanga a 8.1. And I'm hoping that 8.1 can jump up to an 18.1 snow inches wise, because I would love a huge like 18-inch snow day. It'd be great. Be absolutely great. All right, everyone. If you're out in this stuff, do be careful. It is dangerous. You probably should not be on the roads. And Barrister, we'll see everyone soon. Enjoy your snow holiday. Talk to everyone soon. Have a good one.